Hi, it's HardReset, and today we have a Xiaomi robot vacuum S20 with me, and we're gonna do an unboxing. So, I don't want to die from a cable. Okay, so I have my knife in here, and we're gonna open it. Okay, so we have in here an instruction, and I prefer it to lay it down so it won't slip up. Okay, but it's still kind of hard to unbox it. Dude! Okay, I'll take first this cardboard, maybe. It will be easier, I guess. But it's still so hard to take it off. Oh my god. Oh, finally. Thanks. Okay. We took two at the same time. So, thank you, box, but I don't need you right now. And do we have something in here? Nope. Okay. We don't. It's just for safety. So, we have our vacuum here. We have a brush, a mop, charging dock, and a cable. So I assume that the water tank is already in our vacuum. So I'll try to show you all parts. Starting with a charging dock. So it's kind of normal, standard Xiaomi loading dock. Next, a cable. It's not very surprising. Nothing special in it. It's just a simple cable that goes into our loading dock in here, and the other end to a contact. I have contact in here, I'm sorry. Thank you. And now a mop. Oh, how to open you? Okay, we'll try that. Oh, it worked. Nice. Because it have two layers of foil. It's very slim. I don't know why. First time I see a Xiaomi mop that slim. don't it, I suppose in here should go a water tank. Oh yeah, maybe water tank is already in here as I said before. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm kind of stupid. This is already unboxed. So, last but not least, our vacuum. I always give a name to a vacuum, so if you come up with any names, comment down below. That was kind of loud. I'll try to lower the camera so you can see all of it. Okay, that was loud. I'm sorry. So, we have our Frank. What is it? Remove before using. So, it's for safety, okay? And now we need to open our water tank. Yeah, the water tank is in here. Oh, we have a cleaner. Sharp blade inside. Oh, there is sharp blade. But what for? I don't know what for. I don't want to know. Be careful. So the water goes in here. Our mop goes in here. Yeah, in here. Do I need to click something before putting it inside? Because I don't want to break it. But I don't think so. I suppose it just goes inside. Yeah, it does. Okay, so we have our mop and our water tank. Oh, it's too heavy in here without the water tank, and it's just floats. Here we have another foil. It looks so weird. Okay, and to change... Oh, it's water tank in here, and it's dustbin in here. I suppose that's how it works. That's how it works. Am I right though? Because it looks like that. Yes. So we open it by pressing this, and here we have our dustbin. Is this in foil again? No. Okay. So here goes our dust. And to put it inside, just do it right like that and push. And push, I said push. Or maybe push not. Okay, finally. So that's it, and we have our brush that goes in here. Yeah, just push this. And that's it. Here we have wheels, another wheel, the two charging spot, the sensor, the brush again. That's it. Can I... Oh, I can turn you on. it lighten up. I don't know if you can see this.
Turning on.
Oh yeah, it told me. So I want you to go to the base.
About to return to the dock to charge.
Yeah, return. It first scans the environment and it should return to base any moment. Okay, don't fall down the desk. Wait, first.
Stop returning to the dock to charge.
Should I turn this on or something? Because it doesn't see it. Remove the protective film before use. Okay. I did this. And nothing happened. Okay, so I'll put you manually.
Starting to charge.
Okay, and that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.